Hey, it's Lara with your latest tech update. It feels like the whole world is talking about AI. That's artificial intelligence, but you knew that, right? We're excited because new AI tools look set to become the building blocks of a whole new way of doing things. But new technology nearly always launches in a blizzard of tech talk. So let's help decode some of the language you'll be hearing in the year to come. You might already have heard of a chatbot. That's an app that mimics human-to-human interaction. ChatGPT is one chatbot that's already made big waves around the internet. You may already have used it. How do AI tools learn to behave so naturally? They use deep learning to train themselves on real-world language and situations. That creates machine intelligence, the umbrella term for the way computer systems learn, develop, and adapt without being told what to do by a human. Right now, that produces weak AI. That's AI that doesn't truly think and focuses on a limited number of things, maybe writing code or presenting videos. Strong AI will one day go much further. These are early days for AI, but it's already creating some pretty incredible opportunities for business. Just get in touch if you'd like to learn more. That's your tech update. More next week.